Hey guys, my name is Jamie Koala and I've partnered with IGK Hair and GHD to create a glow-inspired look. First I'm going to start with their 3000 feet volume shampoo and conditioner, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So we're back with towel dried hair, and what I'm going to do next is add this awesome MISTRESS anti-frizz conditioner, but I'm also going to put in their very cool and interesting leave-in blonde drops. So essentially these are like purple shampoo, but you put them in the leave-in conditioner and make your head less brassy. I'm gonna put a little bit of the MISTRESS in here, and then I'm gonna put some of these little purple drops and just mix them up with my hand. So you can see it's fantastic. And then I'm gonna work it into my hair. Next I'm gonna add in Rich Kid. This is a coconut oil gel. This you just work into your hair and let it dry, and it's supposed to give you a really natural, wavy, fantastic look. And now that I'm completely dry and ready to go, we're gonna use the 3000 feet volume powder spray. I'm gonna section my hair. Well, that looks a lot. To add extra volume, I'm gonna use IGK's First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. This is gonna make my hair extra gigantic. I have a mane. Ooh, that is a lot of volume. Oh, that's amazing. Now that you're a fantastically curly lion lady, it's time to tease your hair. Oh God. Once you've achieved your perfect Liberty Belle hair, you're ready to do your makeup. So let's do it. Now that you've glittered your face, let's glitter your hair. This is a highlight for your hair. And since we're from the 80s, we need it. Final step, costume. And here is your final look. Just in case you need a little extra hairspray though. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want any of the products in the video, look in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe and check me out at jamiekoala.com.